Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 1, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, and somewhere in the toggles you should see the battery saver. For me it's visible right over here, but if you can't see it right away, just pull it down even further and you have 2 or 3 additional pages, looks like, so you can just flip through them. Now once you find your battery saver, you can simply tap on it. It will bring up a window right here letting you know what it does. So turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme and limits or turns off background activities, some visual effects, certain features, and some network connections. So it actually does a fairly okay idea of like what it actually does. So just to kind of briefly go into all these things, because they're still not very specific. Visual effects, it will turn off high refresh rate, so you will be limited to 60 frames. Then animation, stuff like that will be just limited a little bit. I assume this might also be part of the visual effects, the lighting at the back. Network is probably one of the more important ones. So what it means by that it basically limits some network or whatever is when the device is in sleep mode, which this would be considered sleep mode. When your power saving mode is enabled and the device is in this mode, it will turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data as long as you're not using the device to preserve battery. Now because of that, you won't be getting notifications that would be relying on internet connection. Now when you wake up the device again, it should automatically reconnect, and from there you should get every kind of notification that you were missing that was relying on internet connection. And dark theme, obviously self-explanatory. So anyway, let's select turn on, and there we go, it is now enabled. You can see the dark theme already, and like I mentioned, we don't have high refresh rate anymore, so everything might seem a little bit choppy and slow. Don't worry, that's completely normal. So there we go, that is how you can enable your power saving mode. Now once you're done with it and you want to turn it off, just tap on the toggle once again and everything will revert back to the normal state. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.